Guys, what's up? How are you all? Once again, welcome back to the channel. अगर आपको CS में इंटरेस्ट है, कंप्यूटर साइंस में, या फिर अगर आपको कभी आगे जाके MS इन CS US से करने का अगर सपना है, तो ये व्लॉग आपके लिए बहुत ही खास होने वाला है एंड बहुत ही स्पेशल और बहुत ही इन्फॉर्मेटिव होने वाला है बिकॉज मैं एक बहुत ही खास व्यक्ति से मिलने वाला हूँ जिसने यहाँ से US से MS इन CS किया था एंड देन ही इज़ गोइंग टू गो ओवर हिज एक्सपीरियंस एंड देन व्हाट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ lie after doing this course. So stay tuned. I'll सीधा go to Newport now and then continue the vlog with him. Alright, so जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा कि मैं किसी खास इंसान से मिलने जा रहा हूँ एंड वो खास इंसान हमारे साथ है अभी. मीट डीजे. He has actually helped me so much when I was coming here to the US.
क्या बात है? I
Yeah,
didn't know that.
yeah. It's like I've seen a lot of your videos and also parts videos. So both of you guys have helped me
Right.
so much. You know, like I think मैं और शैली हम लोग दोनों मिलके बिंज वॉच करते थे कि एज एन एग्जैक्टली यू नो लाइक क्या करना है, क्या स्टेप्स है, व्हाट यू शुड डू आफ्टर कमिंग हियर. एंड आई वोंट लाई, आई स्टार्टेड इन्वेस्टिंग इन Robinhood after seeing your video.
Oh.
Yeah, like I literally watched the whole video that you had made
Right.
about Robinhood. That is the time when I was like okay कि ये भी कर सकते हैं बिकॉज यू नो लाइक इफ़ यू आर इन द US आपको एक तो पता नहीं होता है कि इज इन्वेस्टिंग इन स्टॉक्स अलाउड या फिर यू नो क्या आप ये सब कर सकते हो नहीं. एंड आई थिंक यूडी हैड वेरी डिटेल्ड एक वीडियो बनाया था यूडी ने कि उसमें ही हैड वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन्ड कि लाइक क्या करना चाहिए. लाइक यू कैन डू लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट, आप शॉर्ट टर्म नहीं कर सकते. ये कोई रॉबिनहुड का स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं है बाय द वे, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग बिकॉज लाइक दैट वीडियो ऑल्सो हेल्प मी अ लॉट. And yeah, Yudi has been very inspirational. We'll talk about Yudi's story also here in the US because he's been here since a much longer time than I am, and I'm very excited. But first, we'll be shooting the podcast on Yudi's channel. जो आप कब देखोगे? एक महीने में?
हाँ,
एक महीने में आप most probably देखोगे. But तब तक do check out Yudi's channel, especially if you want to come here in the US. या फिर इवन इफ यू आर इवन लिटिल बिट क्यूरियस अबाउट US एंड हाउ टू स्टडी इन US या फिर अ लॉट ऑफ अदर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स, तो यूडीज चैनल इज लाइक द परफेक्ट प्लेस टू गो. तो अभी हम लोग पहले पॉडकास्ट शूट करेंगे. आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू प्रॉब्ली बी वन ऑफ माई वेरी फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट. तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज.
Thank you.
इट वॉज माई फर्स्ट एवर पॉडकास्ट जो कि 1 घंटा चला है. इस आई थिंक 1 घंटा मैंने कहीं पे बैठ के बात नहीं की है. बट यूडी वॉज सो गुड विद द क्वेश्चन दैट यू आस्किंग कि ही गॉट मी इमर्स्ड इन द होल टॉपिक. ही इज लाइक ठीक है आज इसका डब्बा खोलूंगा मैं. लाइक पूरा लाइक हैड मी टॉकिंग. आई एक्चुअली एंजॉयड. आई हैव नेवर एंजॉयड टॉकिंग सो मच इन द पास्ट.
मैं भी इतना डिटेल में गया नहीं हूँ. यू वेंट सो मच इन डेप्थ. मेरे को लगता है ये पॉडकास्ट के भी 2 पार्ट बनेंगे.
Part 1, part 2. Yuri, first of all, I want to tell you, you look a lot like my friend. His name is Pranav Hegde.
Oh,
Yeah, and you, yeah, and even like I feel even your personality is very much similar. I'll show you a photo of him right after this, and he looks exactly the same. So like while you're sitting
I'm
next to me, I was
curious to
like,
see
क्या
his
प्रणव ही बैठा है मेरे साइड में. प्रणव, if you're watching, तो yeah, I miss you. So now that we have gone over my journey, now we'll go over Yudi's journey because like आप में से काफ़ी लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है, मज़ा आता है you know like लोगों की journey सुनने में यहाँ पे. So Yudi, why don't you start with like when was the first time you came into the US and like what you did, like why did, like what was the reason you came in here first?
Right. So it was 2014 is when I came in United States for my master's in computer science. And before that, I used to I did my engineering in IT in DJ Sangvi, very popular college.
Yeah.
तो उसके बाद 6 महीना मैंने Capgemini में काम किया था. And we had a get together of my school, and one of my friend told me that her sister was going to UTD and she was making like 60,000 rupees. She converted it, and 60,000 rupees just making sandwich on campus. That was for 20 hours only.
Okay.
तो मैं बोला यार मैं कैब जेमिनी में इंजीनियर बन के 40 घंटे से भी ज़्यादा 2 घंटे ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ और फिर भी 25,000 कमाता हूँ. वो तो मेरे से भी ज़्यादा कमाते हैं. So I felt like the value of your skill is lot more valued over here.
Yeah, that's true.
Because one, less people, and then also, so that's why I was like, okay, let me figure it out, and then that's how I decided to come here. A lot of people might not know, but I'm from very lower middle class family, from a chawl system and all that. But
Were you originally based in India?
Kandivali.
Oh, Kandivali.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's cool.
I'm from Malad.
Acha. Oh, nice. Yeah, I have a lot of relatives in Malad.
I was in sorry.
मेरे साइली है यहाँ पे.
I was in
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
So cool.
I have a friend who was in DJ Sangvi.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did chemical engineering. Now he's in
Right.
Australia.
Yeah. I was like I said, I was very introvert. तो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं मालूम. But
Yeah.
yeah.
So you said you did your like your course in CS, right?
Computer
when
science.
we are saying. So
Yeah.
how was that experience, and like how is CS in India versus like in
so,
US?
Right. And in India, so the biggest challenge I had my first semester, in India you get a lot of assignments, but in India it's all theoretical, like it's all theory. You just write bunch of papers and assignments and you're done. But यहाँ पे, like my first semester, I took a data structure class. It's like one of the classes over here, and the first assignment was like a whole big mini project. But over here for students, it's just like a mini, like an assignment, and I looked at it and I was like, कि ये तो mini project दे दिया है मेरे को. So that was a drastic culture shock in terms of education, because everything is hands-on and like lots of practicals, and but then I got to used to it, and the biggest thing is like I took entrepreneurship class and project management class. So one of the class they had us go in Chico, like where my college is. They made us go to different startups and ask them like what is one of the business problem they're dealing with, and come up with a business problem to solve that.
Okay.
So that was super cool. Like ऐसा कभी इंडिया में नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ. तो like it's very practical, very hands-on. You learn a lot of things. So I think like education wise, it's US is the best place to get your computer science education.
Yeah, I think हर field में यहाँ पे you get a lot of more hands-on experience
Yes.
than just bookish knowledge, and I think
Yeah.
that is going to help
Yeah.
you when you go ahead and like do something in your
Yeah.
life. So actually, honestly, तो मैंने prepare नहीं किया था questions वगैरह. I just wing it. जो जैसे आ रहा है एकदम naturally. So because like me and a lot of my friends have shared our experiences like learning and living in the East Coast, but since you were in the West Coast since a long time, so like how do you like the West Coast, and now that you are like have visited the East Coast for like at least 2 or 3 weeks, what are the main differences that you feel in the East Coast versus West Coast?
Right. So actually, funny story is when I came to United States, I did my masters in Chico State, which is California State University at Chico. It's a college town. It's a super small, only 90,000 population. तो एंड इट्स लाइक वेरी वेरी रिमोट, लाइक एकदम गांव की तरह है. तो मैं जब पहली बार आया, मैं सोच रहा था कि न्यूयॉर्क जैसा होगा, लाइक इट्स गोना बी टॉल बिल्डिंग, एंड देन आई केम देयर एंड आई वाज लाइक ये किधर आ गया.
या वो मूवीज में आप काफी बार सुनते हैं अमेरिका मतलब बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग है, बट लाइक 90% ऑफ अमेरिका इज लाइक छोटे घर एंड लाइक मोर हाउसेस देन अपार्टमेंट्स. लाइक एवरीथिंग इज स्मॉल, छोटा बट बड़ा, छोटा बट बड़ा एक्सपांडेड ऐसा.
So but anyway, I mean, then I got used to it, and college, small towns का एक बड़ा advantage ये होता है कि like it's very community based, like a lot of people know you and a lot of people know each other, so they are very willing to help you. So then I fell in love with California. मतलब California, I know that he loves New York, but I love California because मतलब स्नो नहीं गिरता सबसे पहले तो मेरा मेन रीज़न वही था ईस्ट कोस्ट नहीं आने का, बिकॉज ऑफ द स्नो.
ओके.
इन कैलिफोर्निया देयर इज नो स्नो एंड लाइक वेदर इज ऑसम ऑल द टाइम. यू गेट द ब्लू स्काई and all of that. Now it's getting worse because of the fires and all, the wildfires, but I think it's awesome. I love California. In terms of East Coast, जब यहाँ पे अभी मैं 2 हफ्ते से हूँ, I am in love with this city especially. Like I could not believe कि मेरे को इतना पसंद आ रहा है. Like I feel like I'm back in Mumbai. At least मुंबई वाले लोग को ऐसा ही लगेगा कि वो लोग मुंबई में हैं. I don't know. Did you feel that?
न्यूयॉर्क में? Yes. न्यूयॉर्क मुंबई ट्रांजिशन इज लाइक ओके. मतलब बस राइट हैंड ड्राइव का लेफ्ट हैंड ड्राइव हो गया. लाइक आपको देसी के अलावा और बाकी सारे लोग दिखते हैं, एंड पानमाले की जगह पर दिल्ली में दिल्ली जाना पड़ता है. दिल्ली लाइक दिल्ली कैट सीन वाला दिल्ली.
Depending on which universities you go, but you will have plenty of opportunities. Computer science are blessed, like you know अपने पास job बहुत है. तो and especially if you are going for software engineering, data scientist, all those fancy roles, there are lots and lots of jobs available. मेरी company right now is hiring also for software engineers, but it's also not कि if you come here you will get the job, like ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने डिग्री कर
Guarantee
लिया और
मिलेगा,
हाँ
yeah.
प्लेसमेंट तो है ही नहीं, ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट निकाल दो आप, इंडिया में ही है वो प्लेसमेंट, यहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट नहीं है। यहाँ पे करियर फेयर होता है जहाँ पे स्टॉल लगते हैं कंपनीज के, आपको जाके बात करना है। आई मीन इफ यू सीन माई चैनल तो उसमें आपको पता होगा, बट एनीवे तो यू हैव टू स्ट्रगल एंड यू हैव टू अप्लाई, बट द बिगेस्ट वे फॉर पीपल टू गेट अ जॉब इज नेटवर्किंग. If you know people, that is an easiest way to get into different companies and easiest way to get interviews and all. And tech interviews are a little bit coding, थोड़ा सा technical रहता है उसमें, coding ज़्यादा रहता है, but I think once they are into the interview phase, I think it's easy.
Okay.
And of course, I mean, I don't know if you want me to say salary wise, तो भाई if depends, again it depends करता है कि कहाँ पे है.
Like a range, basic range, what you can expect.
Right. So if you are in Bay Area, especially like San Francisco, San Jose type area में, you will start like 120 to maybe 150 or something.
Okay, that's a lot.
With bonus, signing bonus of like 20,000, 30,000 with stock options and things like that.
Okay, so
But that again, that's a Bay Area,
Bay
New York
Area,
City.
because आप दोनों कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज जो बे एरिया में एक 120 है, अगर आपको न्यूयॉर्क में 100 मिल रहा है तो इट्स स्टिल आई थिंक सिमिलर, बिकॉज बे एरिया में का खर्चा ज़्यादा हो रहा है, योर रेंट इज मोर एक्सपेंसिव, लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस आर मोर एक्सपेंसिव एज कम्पेयर टू द सिटी,
Yeah.
एंड टैक्सेस आल्सो आई थिंक अ लिटिल मोर, राइट?
Right.
So I guess
37%.
the salary is based on the living expenses. That's what I have heard. So West Coast में day to day living expenses are a bit more. तो फिर इसीलिए to accommodate that the salary is a bit more. And ईस्ट कोस्ट में या फिर इफ़ यू सी न्यूयॉर्क में, न्यू जर्सी में, सो एवरी वन ट्रैवल्स बाय पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट, तो वहाँ उसमें इतना खर्चा नहीं होगा इफ़ एज़ कम्पेयर इफ़ यू नीड अ कार. तो फिर न्यूयॉर्क में द लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस एज कम्पेयर टू वेस्ट कोस्ट इज़ वेरी लाइक इज़ लेसर, तो
Yeah.
इसीलिए प्रॉबेबली वैसा, लाइक दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव heard.
Yeah,
So,
totally.
yeah.
And again, California में भी छोटे टाउन है, like in my town, Chico, it's in like north, तो वहाँ पे you will get like maybe 75 to 90 or something as a starting salary. But again, if you go to Boston, then you will again make 120 to 140. So बड़ी cities में you'll make big money.
So apart from this, now how was your experience overall of living in the States, and then like what would you suggest someone who's coming in like for CS and hoping to get a job, and like apart from networking, like obviously like we know now ki like what is the best thing to do to get into the door of a company, but then apart from that, you know, like what should someone expect when they're coming in, or like what mindset should they come?
Right. I think one is irrespective of what country you're coming from. I'm hoping most of you are coming from India. Don't stay with your clown. Like, don't stay with Indians. I know he said the same thing. I say this a lot in my videos. Get out of comfort zone. Don't try to stay in comfort zone. It's very easy, especially if you go to very popular colleges where they have intake of like 500 students, 700 students. You most likely will want to stay with Indians around you. And it's like, if especially if you're coming for masters, if you're paying 50,000, 60,000, इतना सारा लोन लेके आ रहे हो, आप इंडिया से जाके वापस इंडिया में ही नहीं रहना आपको, तो you have to explore this country. So that is my biggest thing. Like, keep an open mind, be curious. Like, you know, there's a lot to learn in this country. People say that America is land of opportunities, but I would say it's land of opportunities for people who work hard.
Yep.
You have to work hard. Like, you cannot be like कि मैं अपने रूम में रहूँगा, assignment करूँगा, classroom में रहूँगा. You have to go out, go to the events. For tech people, there are so many conferences, like Java का conference होता है, Deloitte का conference होता है, Grasshopper होता है. Go to those conferences because that's where you will actually meet recruiters, hiring managers. So, but people don't do that. Go to those frat, जो business fraternities होते हैं, उसमें जाओ and explore the different cultures, because you have to get acclimated to this country and this culture as well. So that would be my biggest advice for people to come with like this open mind, be curious, and you know, you have to remember कि यहाँ पे आने के बाद लाइफ सेट नहीं हो रही है, लाइफ चालू हो रही है. सो यू नो यू हैव टू कम विद द माइंडसेट यू गोना कीप वर्किंग सुपर हार्ड.
Okay, so like you said, I think this would probably be my last question. Is I want to keep it short and
Yeah.
very tight because Yudi's already put so much of content on his own channel कि
Right.
मतलब आप सीधा वहाँ पे जाके check कर सकते हो. So you know like I'm assuming that when you came here you must have taken out a loan for education
Yes.
expenses. Now if someone is coming for CS and you know like if they are taking out a loan, so what is an like realistic timeline they can hope for कि मतलब एक बार अच्छा अगर job लगता है तो as in like how easy it is to repay that loan considering you have your own living expenses यहाँ पे and like you know like realistically how soon can you pay that off? If a return on
I mean,
investment is-
it's a very. I want to be very careful. It depends. I paid off my loan within 6 months.
6 months?
Yes,
Okay.
6 months. So, but again, I'm very good with my money. Like I budget everything. I invest. I was investing since I came here in 2014. Also, you will get signing bonuses. You will also get summer internships. तो मैंने savings बहुत की थी और चीको बहुत छोटा सा town है तो my rent was only $200
Oh,
with
okay.
a private room. So
Oh, wow.
so
And that was also 2014.
right. I mean चीको अभी भी उतना ही सस्ता
उतना ही
है.
है? Oh,
$300 से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. But
Wow.
yeah.
Okay.
But realistically, it shouldn't take you a year or a year and a half. But a year and a half, it's like more than enough to pay off your loan. Again, it depends on how you are living. अगर बहुत ही lavish लेते हो कि
yeah.
भाई जॉब मिलते ही आपने सीधा टेस्ला खरीद लिया, आईफोन 13 खरीद लिया, तो फिर
Yeah, you have to manage your
Yeah,
expenses accordingly.
yeah. So my intention was कि जैसे ही I graduate, I want to pay off my loan the first. So I would put down on principal as much as I can. So that was my approach. But I think a year and a half, I've met students who have taken 200,000 loans, 100,000 loans and paid off within a year.
Okay.
So it is totally
So
possible.
it's possible to pay it off early from like what I've learned from what Yuri said is like if you are in the CS you know like I think उसमें अगर आप 2 साल के कोर्स के लिए आ रहे हो एक तो you have to pay fees you have to pay 2 years के living expenses what you have to learn is probably like keeping your expenses you know like very tight as long as at least you are a student तो उस स्टूडेंट के टाइम
Yeah.
ऐसे नहीं कि भाई लग्जरी कार खरीद लिया या फिर
right.
बहुत मस्त अपार्टमेंट में घर ले लिया
Most students will be working on campus as well.
Yeah, exactly,
क्योंकि master students and if they get RA, TA तो बहुत सारे लोगों को पूरा education teaching fees
Free,
free हो
yeah,
जाता है.
right.
So there are a lot of opportunities. So again, that's where my advice comes back in. Is like कि networking explore क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग explore नहीं करते हैं. RA, TA opportunities बहुत सारी है.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Yuri. That was amazing time I had talking to you.
Yes.
And
Thank you for having me. And he's so kind. मतलब कितना मतलब he came for 40 hours to drive and मैं बोला
40 hours नहीं 40 minutes.
40 minutes. Sorry 40 minutes. So
40 hours में कैलिफोर्निया से आता शायद.
हाँ हो सकता है. But yeah, he's super kind. He came to meet me.
Thank you.
And I just texted him and I'm
नहीं अच्छा लगा like finally I think this is like one of my first proper collabs. I know I've collabed with Rohan also and a few other YouTubers but then I think like this sitting down and talking about I think this is my first collab I would say with someone who has come as a student and is also a YouTuber.
right.
Yeah, so that was a lot of fun. I think ये तो पूरा indoors हो गया but then if we do plan आज का actually plan था but then मुझे like I got delayed due to traffic and other reasons and then यहाँ पे आने के बाद sundown हो गया था because अभी कैसा fall चालू होने वाला है तो 7 I think today was the last sunset at like 7 इसके बाद जल्दी चालू होना sunset होना चालू होने वाला है तो
हमारा प्लान तो था अपना
Liberty State Park जाने का but probably like soon we'll get some time to explore that.
Yeah, and I'm
Hopefully.
leaving soon, so इसलिए
Yeah.
फिर आज का दिन ही था हमारे पास.
Yeah, आज ही
But
आज
I'm
का
very
शुभ
glad he
मुहूर्त था.
came. I'm so
Yeah.
glad he came. I'm so happy he came.
Yeah, I had fun. मुझे बहुत मजा आया, especially with his podcast. I'll leave Yuri's channel's link in the description box below. Make sure you go check it out and subscribe right now because जब भी एक महीने बाद वो podcast आएगा, you can go and check it out.
Yes.
All right, so I'm signing off now. For mine, I say stay safe, have fun, and peace out.
Okay.
So that's what you have to say now. I'll see you in the next one. If you did like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you didn't like, up chat dislike भी कर सकते हो. Do comment down below what your thoughts are. Last time we covered for management of technology and analyst side with Durba, and today with Giddy we covered the CS part. Do let me know what are the other streams. एक बार अपन साइली के साथ we'll go over industrial pharmacy as well. तो ऐसे अलग-अलग streams like I'll also keep on exploring. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and peace out. Alright.